There is this entire conversation about men's loneliness. Where is it coming from?
मेन को भी ऑप्शंस मिलते नहीं हैं.
Right.
दे आर नॉट आस्क्ड. तुम्हें करना है ये? तुम करना चाहते हो? तुम बनना चाहते हो ये मेन करता धरता घर के कमाने वाले चीजें करने वाले? मे भी कोई लोग होंगे जिनको नहीं करना होता होगा. Why can't they have that option?
Right.
But नहीं होता.
Welcome to another episode of Aao Behan Chugli Kare. And I'm Anushri.
मैं हूं नुपुर.
And today we are going to discuss about do men suffer too? And the context is, of course, life, expectations. जो हमने पिछली बार नुपुर बात करी थी अबाउट जो औरतों से एक्सपेक्टेशंस होती हैं कि आपको घर संभालना है, आपको किचन में होना है, आपको होस्ट बनना है, आपको अच्छी बहू, अच्छी बेटी बनना है. इसका एक फ्लिप साइड भी है, राइट, दैट इन विच मेन के पे भी बहुत सारी ऐसी एक्सपेक्टेशंस होती हैं. हो सकता है किसी को डांसर बनना है, किसी को कथक सीखना है, किसी को पेंटिंग करना है. सो टेल मी अबाउट व्हाट यू हैव इन माइंड.
I mean, of course, मुझे genuinely लगता है, and this is something that I realized very early on. क्योंकि जब मुझे realize हुआ कि मैं एक ऐसी लड़की हूँ जिसके पास अब एक option है. If I want to work, I can. Nobody's stopping me. And if I don't want to, that's also an option. And I realized कि मेरी जिंदगी में जो लड़के हैं, जो मेरा भाई है, और मेरे friends हैं, I realized उनके पास ये option नहीं है. Of course, this is coming from a very privileged place where women जिनको women को मिलती नहीं है, opportunities नहीं मिलते हैं. Here I have options, but वही the flip side is that men को भी options मिलते नहीं हैं.
Right.
They are not asked कि तुम्हें करना है ये? तुम करना चाहते हो? तुम बनना चाहते हो ये मेन करता धरता घर के कमाने वाले चीजें करने वाले? मे भी कोई लोग होंगे जिनको नहीं करना होता होगा. Why can't they have that option?
Right.
But नहीं होता. So I feel कि that's true, I mean, expectation औरतों से है, women से है, तो expectation men से भी definitely, और honestly काफी बड़े लेवल की भी है. It's not a very
like
frivolous thing.
जो एक चीज जो ब्रेड विनर, I don't know what does that mean कि कोई चैंपियन बन के ब्रेड विनिंग कर रहा है.
हाँ, मुझे तो इमेजिनेशन आती है कि ब्रेड का लोफ उठा के लेकर आ रहा है और कह रहा है लो जीत के लाया हूँ मैं. But yeah,
this breadwinning and earning वाला जो एक एक्सपेक्टेशन है, बोझ है कि जो आदमियों को करना है, एंड वो पूरी कंडीशनिंग जो अगर एक चीज है कि औरतें किचन में रहेंगी तो बाहर भैया बच्चे को, इसीलिए वही जो चीज है कि या तो इंजीनियर बनेगा, डॉक्टर बनेगा, जो हमारे व्हेन वी वर किड्स दैट एक्सपेक्टेशन वाज देयर कि अगर लड़का है और उसने आर्ट्स ले ली, आर्ट्स फील्ड में चला गया, तो इसका तो क्या ही होगा. मतलब द होल सोसाइटी वर्क्स अगेंस्ट दिस व्हाट ही डिजायर्स, व्हाट ही वांट्स.
बिल्कुल. एंड ऑनेस्टली वो इतना ज्यादा कंडीशन हो गया है ना कि आई हैव सीन, जब व्हेन आई वाज ग्रोइंग अप, आई सॉ दैट माय कजिन्स इनको चूज करने थे अपने, कि क्या लेना है, साइंस साइड लेनी है, ह्यूमैनिटीज लेनी है, क्या लेना है. सो व्हेन आई सेड कि यू कैन टेक आर्ट्स आल्सो, एंड दे वर लाइक नहीं आर्ट्स क्यों लेंगे हम तो नहीं लेंगे आर्ट्स, हम तो साइंस लेंगे, नहीं तो कॉमर्स ले लेंगे, ज्यादा से ज्यादा कॉमर्स ले लेंगे.
आर्ट्स तो लड़कियां लेती हैं.
हाँ, आर्ट्स थोड़ी लेंगे हम आर्ट्स पढ़ के क्या करेंगे. लेकिन बहुत लड़के होते होंगे ना जिनको मन होता होगा. बट
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
ऑनेस्टली आई रिमेम्बर, मेरा एक दोस्त है जिसको I remember he used to love dancing, and painting, and all things that are really like creative. But उसको हमेशा उसकी फैमिली में, I remember वो मुझे बताता था कि उसको छुप के ड्राइंग करनी पड़ती है. उसको डांस करना है, प्रैक्टिस करनी है, तो अपने कमरे में कम आवाज में म्यूजिक चलाकर डांस करता है.
बिल्कुल.
एंड to me it was so sad कि कोई मतलब जो करना चाहता है वो कर ही नहीं पा रहा है, just because he's a guy. He's not allowed to indulge in things that he genuinely likes. Exactly. और ये बहुत heartbreaking बात है.
तो ये जो आजकल there is this entire conversation about men's loneliness epidemic, right? जो आजकल हम कहीं ना कहीं people who are aware of why this is probably happening, we also blame men कि भाई अगर आप you will be a bad behavior person with bad behavior, या
Yeah.
ये you deserve this. This is also very
Yeah,
cruel,
the
of course.
consequences of your
Consequence,
own actions.
right?
Yeah.
It's cruel, but where is
Hmm.
it coming from? It's coming from the fact कि men from बचपन से they are
हाँ.
not even, they are conditioned not to cry.
Yes.
As deep a thing like that कि boys don't cry वाली thing कि आपको, आप
बिल्कुल.
बड़े, आप तो लड़के हो, आप रो कैसे सकते हो? अगर
हाँ.
वो बच्चा रो रहा है तो उसको ये बताया जाता है कि नहीं, आप तो बड़े हो गए हो, बड़े
अरे,
लड़के
I
हो.
remember one of my cousins was there. कुछ हुआ and he started crying. He was a kid only. तो his father said कि अरे क्या लड़कियों की तरह रो रहा
लड़कियों
है,
के exactly.
लड़कियों की तरह रो रहा है,
Yes.
रो वही तो रो रहा है, लड़कियों की तरह
Yes.
रो रहा है, क्या होता है? He
Yes.
is hurt, वो रो भी नहीं
Yes.
सकता, उसको अलाउड ही नहीं है. तो ये तो कंडीशनिंग
तो
दिमाग में
अगर
कितनी बैठ जाती
बचपन में
होगी.
ही ये बता दिया कि रोना इक्विवेलेंट टू आप
हम्म.
अपनी मैस्कुलिनिटी खो रहे
हाँ
हैं,
हाँ
तो
हाँ.
वो बच्चा जो बड़ा होगा, टीनेजर है, उसको बुली करा जा रहा है स्कूल में,
बिल्कुल.
वो घर पे आके नहीं बताएगा. उसके साथ कुछ मिसबिहेवियर हो रहा है, वो
हाँ.
घर पे आके नहीं बताएगा कि मैं कैसे अपने आप को, मैं अपने
And
आप को बचा नहीं पा रहा हूँ, ये उसके लिए
yes,
शर्म की बात
और
होगी.
रोना अलाउड नहीं है. You and I know, like as women, crying is cathartic.
Yes.
It helps you release that
Yes.
pent up emotion, that frustration. जब कुछ समझ नहीं आता,
Yes.
रोते हो, and the
Yes.
and the lightness that you feel, no matter how heavy
Yes.
the situation
Yes.
is, it is cathartic.
Yes.
बताओ, सोचो, मतलब men को अलाउड ही नहीं है,
I
वो
have
रो ही नहीं
seen,
पाते.
I have seen, of course, I'm at that age where
Yeah.
I've seen, people who are grandparents' age pass away. And I've seen men not able to deal with loss. I've
Yeah.
seen, people in front of a dead body of their loved one, but they don't know how to, so they'll keep themselves busy. They'll
So
do things, they
sad.
flutter around, they'll meet people, do everything, but actually sit with their grief.
And सोचो ना, उनको feel तो होता होगा ना.
Absolutely.
You losing you're a human being. We are social, beings.
Yeah.
We live in communities.
Yeah.
We grieve and we care for each other.
Yeah.
But आप वो express ही नहीं कर पा रहे हो. What a, I mean, I cannot even imagine. It's
Yeah,
really
yeah.
sad.
Yeah. Coming to, mental health, especially men's mental health, because we see a trend in, rising trend, men's loneliness, and also for various reasons. If you look at the demographic in terms of trigger warning here, in terms of self-harm and everything, there's a sizable amount where men suffer, right? So in which case, this also stems from a fact that you cannot emote.
हाँ.
You cannot tell that you're vulnerable.
Yes.
You cannot show your vulnerability, right? So an incident comes to mind. It's quite close to home. One of my distant cousins, brilliant person, मेरी mother के side के पढ़ते हैं. This guy is a super achiever. Okay, through A plus A grades throughout school. Then he cracks IIT, goes on to become an architecture, or graduates from School of Planning. मतलब आप सोच सकते हो, like top notch. Okay, brilliant in mind. We used to look at Bhaiya being like one of those, like untouchable, tum sab tuchh prani, that kind of, in terms of academics. He wanted to take a break from, because he slogged his ass off throughout his life in studies to achieve, getting IIT Kharagpur.
Oh.
Right? How much? Deal. Yeah, how much he must have slogged from his childhood, right? To be able to, और पूरा conditioning थी कि भैया तुम्हें crack करना है. पूरा conditioning नहीं कहूँगी, पूरा उसका support था, family support था कि तुम्हें करना है, जो किया. फिर आगे School of Planning, फिर architecture, everything, getting a good firm. But you could see that there is a burnout in him. So he asks his father two things. One is, I want to take a sabbatical, a break of 2 years, and maybe also plan to have my own firm, which will obviously require some sort of an investment. And there was a second layer to it, which is what he at that time was dating someone out of community. And they were classmates, and he liked that person enough to want to marry her and all that. So those two layers were working too, because she was since classmates, so they wanted to join hands and have that firm together. ऑब्वियसली मतलब इट केम टू अ फैक्ट कि हम पूरी फैमिली को, एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली को पता था कि इस घर में कलेश चल रहा है इसको लेके। फैमिली मतलब इट वाज गिवन अल्टीमेटम कि मैं तुम्हें तुम्हारी शक्ल नहीं देखूंगा, तुम मेरे लिए आज से मर गए। पूरा ड्रामा, द होल 9 yards ऑफ ड्रामा, टिल ऐसा हुआ कि उस बेचारे मेरे कजिन को अपना ब्रेकअप करना पड़ा बिकॉज ही वाज नॉट एबल टू जगल
Oh
दीज
my God, that's so
relationships.
sad. Yeah.
And he also did not take the sabbatical. He kept working and working. What he did, he used to go work, spend as much time away from home, work 16 hours, 18 hours a day, just come back home, sleep. And this kept on going till the time we could see that this guy had dark circles and you could see that there is something wrong with him. Then we cousins, we extended people, we sat him down. I don't know whether it worked or not, but eventually he came out of it, and thankfully now everything is fine. But imagine if he had that support, if he had
Yes.
that
The
option
yeah.
that yes, you do what ठीक है, you want to take a loan, I understand, हो सकता है middle class family, IIT का खर्चा, school of planning का खर्चा, he didn't want to do it by, he didn't want to fund it, but let him have his own empower your children, whether it's a boy or a girl, empower him to take his own decision. That is where I can see that this thing, your men suffer too, and probably equally, probably deeper, who knows.
Of course, who knows, because they
don't
not able to share.
Yeah,
I mean, the fact that like my brother who's so close to me, he opens up rarely.
Yeah,
there are moments of opening up, but he's also not able to like fully share what's hurting him, what's going on in his mind. Same goes on with my father, and same goes on with a lot of friends that I have. उनके लिए इतना मुश्किल है अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस कर पाना, because they don't know how to. And honestly, I had this conversation with one of my friends. मैंने उसको बोला, मैंने कहा अगर कुछ फील हो रहा है, कुछ आ तो रहा होगा ना दिमाग में, ये सिचुएशन हुई है, कुछ तो दिमाग में आ रहा होगा. कहता नहीं, मुझे कुछ नहीं हो रहा, नहीं मुझे कुछ नहीं फील हो रहा. मैंने कहा कुछ तो आ रहा होगा, कुछ अजीब फील हो रहा होगा. कहता नहीं, बस गुस्सा आ रहा है, अभी मुझे कुछ नहीं आ रहा दिमाग में. He did not even know what he's feeling. He did not
That's
even know that.
That's why a lot of this, I understand crutches like alcohol or anything is not just it is a mental health crisis.
Yes, it is a mental health crisis.
Because you take these kind of substances as your crutch because you don't know what to do with these
are all
feelings.
Coping mechanisms. People use alcohol, alcohol, drugs and everything like that as coping mechanism. It's very very evident, क्योंकि आप अपने इमोशंस के साथ बैठना नहीं जानते हो. आपको फील तो होते होंगे ना, हर्ट तो आप होते होंगे, बट उनको डील करने का कोई तरीका नहीं पता है, तो उनको शट ऑफ कर देता हूँ. And it honestly breaks my heart to think that men think that they have no other option. Rather than shutting out or shutting down, they don't think that they can express. Because I mean,
अब जैसे वही बात है, for example, अगर आपकी शादी अरेंज मैरिज सेटअप में हो रही है, आई एम नॉट सेइंग अरेंज मैरिज सेटअप गलत है, people have successful marriages, right? At least from the outside, because all marriages is work.
Exactly,
But if you did not have a say in whether this person doesn't want, does this, it works, this setup works for him, doesn't work for him, does he have a choice? He probably also doesn't have a choice. He has a price tag. He knows this is my worth, because we know that how the Indian marriage system works. आदमी हूँ मैं, इंजीनियर हूँ, डॉक्टर हूँ, मेरा ये प्राइस टैग है मार्केट में, और मैं यहाँ से, मेरे पेरेंट्स ने इतना इन्वेस्ट किया है मुझ पे, तो ये है उन, मतलब a lot of people.
बट आप ये सोचो ना कि ये
प्रेशर भी तो है,
ये प्रेशर
हो सकता है उसको कुछ और पसंद हो
और कितना
कोई और पसंद
dehumanizing है.
Yes.
That means that वो अपने आप को सिर्फ उस लेंस से देख रहे हैं कि वो कितना पैसा कमाते हैं, और वो उनकी मार्केट में वैल्यू है. उसके अलावा what they have to offer उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है.
Exactly.
This should be so distorting.
And what is the thing? Because a marriage is a human connection. आप एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में आप लेके आ रहे हैं, एक आपका प्राइस टैग है, उनका वो, it's a very financial kind of a contract kind of a situation. उसमें आप ला रहे हो, what is the connection you're going to have with your wife? Because in the back of your mind you know what it is.
You
it's
know how it happened. ऑफ
So
कोर्स बहुत, एंड ऑनेस्टली ऑप्शंस की बात करी जाए, आई फील लाइक दैट मेन, they have been of course conditioned, they give themselves very less options too.
yeah.
I remember मेरा एक दोस्त है who, of course, trigger warning, that he was very at a point in his
Hmm.
life.
Hmm.
So but I had this conversation with him later on. So he was telling me कि मेरे दिमाग में ये आ रहा था, he lived in in his family home only.
Okay.
So he was there with his parents and with the grandparents. So he said कि मुझे ना दिमाग में ये आने लगा था कि maybe if I die, then all this suffering will also end, और शायद सब
Wow.
खुश रहेंगे, सब ठीक रहेंगे, मेरे से ही शायद बहुत परेशानी है. This is the amount of pressure these men have in their head, और वो उसको कभी एक्सप्रेस ही नहीं कर पाते, और जब एक्सप्रेस नहीं होता तो वो इन फॉर्म्स में आता है ना,
Yeah.
फिर इन द
Yeah.
एक्सट्रीम्स,
Yeah.
the outbursts,
Yeah.
the feelings, the rage, the non-understanding, the fact that they feel that they are nobody, and a lot of men feel like it.
Yeah.
वो होता है ना साइकाट्री में यूज,
Exactly.
साइकोलॉजी में यूज है ना कि जो बहुत सुपीरियोरिटी दिखाते, they're actually coming from a place of inferiority.
Inferiority.
That's
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
whole
True.
cycle.
Yeah.
They feel like nothing, and they feel empty on the inside.
Yeah.
But they
Yeah.
can't show it क्योंकि अलाउड नहीं है, उनको बताया गया है कि अलाउड नहीं है. It's really sad.
So this comes to ये allowed नहीं है कि, और एक बात, and ये तो मेरे अपने घर की बात है. This has been told to me by my mother in a very different context, but let me share this because this is something which I think my father still talks about, and I'm aware that I talk about a lot about my parents because that is my lens that I have. I see
Yeah.
their relationship, and my father for a जैसे ही शादी हुई थी, and about for 2 years, 3 years, he had moved to, although he was in Delhi, he had his education here, but he had moved back to Kolkata because his parents were there. So वो शादी हुई है, बहू सेटल करना है, and all that तामझाम की वजह से he had moved back. He had also started working in a company in Kolkata. And Kolkata being at that time the political turmoil जो भी था, communist and everything, बहुत वहाँ पे factories वगैरह में lockout बहुत मतलब बहुत होता था वहाँ पे. तो जिस कंपनी में वो काम करते थे, he was probably a steno at that time, बिल्कुल young at that time, first or second job उस कंपनी में हो गए, वो बंद पड़ गई, लॉकआउट हो गया. And I was 3 months infant. I was born and I was a 3-month infant, and he did not have the courage to tell his parents or even his wife that I don't know where the next source of our household income is coming from. He did not have the courage to say that I don't have a job. So what he used to do was, for about 15-20 days, what he did, he would go out. At the same time, the way he would dress up, go out of the house, just the way he always did. He would go out and hunt for jobs, walk in as many interviews as possible. And if there is no interview, he just spend his time till 5:30, 6 o'clock, and then come back home pretending that everything's fine. Till the time there was some incident happened that I think I had fever or some crisis happened, and then it's like, अच्छा पैसे चाहिए, कब सैलरी आ रही है, कब सैलरी आ रही है. Then he broke down in front of my mother, not in front of his father or his mother, in front of my mother, that I don't know how am I going to take care of this baby because हमारे पास पैसे नहीं है, because I don't have a job. That's when my mother stepped in and said ki, let me speak to my father, or I'll speak to your father, and we'll say we have this. And he was bodily embarrassed. He had shame that I am not able to provide for my family. This is suffering.
This is and must be so lonely. आपको pretend करना पड़ रहा है to that you're living this life which you're not living. तुमको तो पता होगा ना. Must be so lonely not to be able to share with anyone. And I think this is what most men go through. They try to be strong because they're told that they have to be, and it must be so sad and lonely, honestly.
Absolutely. और यही चीज जो ये I would totally call it fake masculinity, because there is
Yeah.
absolutely no strength in suffering alone.
Yes.
There is no strength in suffering
बिल्कुल.
chupchap and alone. And if you are not able to share it with anyone, if you're not if let's say, and जो कि होता भी है, there are marriages that are toxic because two people are absolutely incompatible.
हाँ,
Okay.
बिल्कुल.
और ये भी देखा गया है कि काफी सारे रिलेशनशिप या मैरिजेस में द वुमन इज लेट्स से हाइपर possessive
Oh
or
yes.
something like that,
Or dismissive.
right?
हाँ.
Or because
Hmm.
she is also conditioned in a
Yeah.
way कि you are the
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
earner of this family,
Yes.
you have to provide for me, I will take care of you, but you have to do this.
Yeah.
This is not my job. Or if the person loses a job, घर पे बैठे हो, घर पे बैठे हो, मैं कर रही हूँ, या मेरे मायके से पैसा आ रहा है,
शर्म नहीं आती
या तुम्हें शर्म नहीं आती.
मर्द हो के आदमी हो के क्या कर
Absolutely.
रहे हो?
So what is this? This is exactly the same thing flip side.
Yes.
So this is why absolutely men suffer too.
Hmm.
And another thing I want to and I think you and I both will agree कि जितनी पिटाई लड़के बच्चों को होती है,
I agree.
जितनी पिटाई हमारे पेरेंट्स, हमारे इस जनरेशन को मैं नहीं बोलूंगी, मिलेनियल्स have sort of embraced gentle parenting, but जितनी पिटाई लड़कों की हुई है, that is absolutely scarring.
हाँ,
मैंने खुद देखा है यार, बेल्ट से, चप्पल से, हम मजाक करते हैं कि मम्मी का उड़ता हुआ चप्पल आ रहा है, but this is,
ये मजाक भी तो कोपिंग मैकेनिज्म ही है.
exactly.
क्योंकि लड़कों की तो जेन्युइनली, आई मीन लड़कियों की भी होती है, बट लड़कों की भी जेन्युइनली बहुत पिटाई हुई है. आई थिंक ये वो बेचारे कर देते हैं उसको थोड़ा सा कि इट्स ओके, ये तो होता ही है, अरे मैं तो बहुत बदतमीज था, बिकॉज़ आई हैव सीन पीपल डू दैट, पीपल हु हैव बीन फिजिकली दे हैव बीन हर्ट और इट, तो वो बोलते हैं कि अरे मैं ना बहुत बदतमीज था, मैं तो यही डिजर्व करता था यार, सही किया मम्मी पापा ने, मैं तभी ठीक निकल गया हूँ, बिकॉज़ दैट्स व्हाट देयर पेरेंट्स हैव टोल्ड देम कि तुम्हें इसलिए मार पड़ रही है. बट द फैक्ट दैट वो अपनी खुद की फीलिंग को भी ट्विस्ट कर रहे हैं अपने दिलो दिमाग में.
मैंने खुद देखा है. मे बी दैट इज व्हाई आई हेजिटेट अ लिटिल बिट, बिकॉज इट इज अगेन क्लोजर टू होम. आई सी माय हस्बैंड, Faraz, right? There are 3 brothers, and all 3 of them are absolutely, they're very similar, but they're very different from each other, right? Faraz has that older sibling wala responsibility, and he kind of, he has a different personality in front of his parents. You know him, we know him as this, of course he is what he is, but we know him personally, and he's a goofball when he's among friends. But when I used to initially see him, I used to see him that where is this flip side of very serious, no nonsense person comes from, and I used to like, why are you this way? You're so fun otherwise. And he used to say, no, I'm expected to be, because I'm the older child, I am the biggest, the dharohar of all the expectations, that is the older child syndrome. So I need to be a certain way, and this is not from Abhi that I've seen. He tells me that when he had just about finished his graduation, biotech, so there was someone who was very close to his family who said कि हाँ देखो साहब, अच्छा, his parents are doctors, right? So doctor का बेटा डॉक्टर उस जमाने में तो मतलब था ही,
बनना ही है.
तो Faraz never wanted to take up medicine and all. He did sit for some exams. It was not his calling, right? His calling was the Dar Diaries.
Shout out.
But so his calling was not that, right? So there were people who would come and tell his parents कि इसे तो ना आप हार्डवेयर की दुकान में बिठा दो, कंप्यूटर रिपेयर करना सिखा दो. Who the hell can talk? कौन लोग हैं? My God, man. I just,
ये जो लोग वाला है ना, because see, I have seen my brother, you know, my father has a business. मेरे भाई को नहीं जाना उस बिजनेस में, not right now. So he wants to do his own thing, earn his own money, build his own wealth and things like that. So just because he chose not to do what was expected of him, because he is the only son, I'm the only daughter. So it was expected कि बेटा तुम ही तो बिजनेस को आगे संभालोगे. If he did not want to do it, I remember लोग आकर पापा को बोलते थे कि अच्छा लड़का नहीं बैठ रहा तुम्हारी दुकान पे, लड़का नहीं बैठ रहा, अच्छा
Yeah.
लड़का बिल्कुल हाथ नहीं बटाता, अरे ये तो बहुत हुआ है।
Exactly.
एंड देन दिस वुड इंस्टिगेट माय फादर, और वो घर पे आके फिर बोलते थे, कहते उसका बेटा तो बैठता है, उसका
हाँ,
बेटा तो बैठता है,
exactly.
एंड इट वुड बिकम अ होल थिंग कि मेरे भाई से एक्सपेक्ट किया जा रहा है कि तेरे जो ड्रीम्स है वो नहीं मैटर करते, तुझे इस चीज पे ध्यान देना चाहिए जो तुझसे एक्सपेक्ट की जा रही है। बट दिस आई कैन नॉट इवन इमेजिन कि कितने ड्रीम्स क्रश हुए होंगे बच्चों के,
Absolutely.
जिनके पास, जिनको लगता है, मतलब माय ब्रदर इज अ स्ट्रांग पर्सन, सो ही इज लाइक नो आई विल डू व्हाट आई वांट टू डू, एंड ऑनेस्टली माय फादर इज आल्सो अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट, ही इज नॉट फोर्सिंग हिम। बट कितने बच्चे, कितने लड़के होते होंगे ऑनेस्टली,
बिल्कुल,
स्पेशली जो जिनके कितने ड्रीम्स पीछे छूट जाते होंगे,
बिल्कुल,
कि वो उनको
बिल्कुल,
लगता है कि उनके पास ऑप्शन ही नहीं है उसे परस्यू
बिल्कुल,
करने का।
बिल्कुल. So
You
that, yeah,
sorry,
yeah.
there's this uncle on Instagram
हम्म.
जो ना गाना गाते हैं,
हाँ,
ठीक है, और उनकी रील्स बहुत वायरल हो रही हैं, बहुत वायरल है, ही
हाँ.
सिंग्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुली,
Okay,
ओल्ड अंकल,
okay.
ओल्ड वॉइस, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल वॉइस।
Yeah, we'll put a
तो
link
हाँ
of
हाँ,
that.
या
Yeah,
विल डू।
yeah,
सो बट दैट अंकल जब वो
yeah.
फेमस हुए तो somebody did an interview with him, तो उनको पूछा कि आप इस एज में गाना गा रहे हैं, सो ही टोल्ड दैट पर्सन कि जब मैं छोटा था, मैं यंग था, तो मुझे ना गाने का हमेशा से बहुत शौक था, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता था गाना, लेकिन मेरी फैमिली ने कभी अलाउ नहीं
गवाइये
किया।
बनोगे क्या?
यस,
Exactly.
कभी अलाउ नहीं किया। अब जब मैं बड़ा हो गया, इमेजिन ही, आई एम प्रीटी श्योर ही इज लाइक 60s 70s,
हम्म.
अब जाकर when he's now he feels that he can do what he wants
Yeah,
now
yeah,
at that age,
yeah,
now he's pursuing music,
yeah,
I mean hats off to him कि he's doing it for
yeah.
himself, healing
He's
his inner
kept the
child।
light inside
Yes,
him, right?
but I
Otherwise
mean
लोग तो मार देते हैं,
बिल्कुल,
हर
लेकिन
ख्वाहिश मार देते हैं.
हाँ, पर कितनी सैड बात है ना कि किसी इंसान को इतना वेट करना पड़ा क्योंकि उसको लगा कि अलाउड ही नहीं है, एक छोटी सी चीज
Yeah,
गाना गाना
yeah,
जिसको करने का मन था, वो उस पर
yeah,
अलाउड नहीं है फॉलो
yeah.
करना। तो कितना, मतलब कितने लोगों के ड्रीम्स, आई डोंट नो, you know,
I know.
it's very jarring to think of it like that, of
Yeah.
course, see, everything comes down to this point only, कि this is a system
System, yes.
that is built which harms as much women, it harms men too।
Yep.
ये तो है ही, फैक्ट है ये, जिसकी वजह से
Absolutely.
वो नहीं शेयर कर
Yeah.
पा रहे हैं।
So वही बात है कि it is not about कि ये दुनिया this is a man's world and women suffer, or if women come to power then men are
suffering
they are
और
suffering, or let's say they are their masculinity goes away or whatever. ऐसा नहीं है. ये सिस्टम इसलिए बनाया गया है, उन्होंने बनाया है, who holds the power, and this power is so difficult to let go.
Yes.
कि it becomes difficult to even think कि कुछ और भी हो सकता है.
जबकि उनको समझ में नहीं आता कि वो पावर उनको कितना नुकसान पहुंचा रही है।
Yeah.
You are not allowed to express yourself। आप नहीं ये एडमिट भी नहीं कर सकते कि मुझे
Exactly.
हर्ट हो रहा है, मुझे सैड फील हो रहा है, मुझे लोनली फील हो रहा है, या मुझे मन कर रहा है मैं किसी को हक कर लूं। जैसे ये लोग मजाक करते हैं ना कि अरे लॉन्डो की दोस्ती तो ऐसी होती है, हम तो बस
Exactly.
छेड़खानी करते हैं, हम चिल
Exactly.
करते हैं, कोई दुखी भी
Exactly.
होगा ना हम बोलेंगे चल सुट्टा मार के आते हैं
Yeah.
और सब ठीक हो जाता है।
Exactly.
नहीं ठीक होता यार।
Exactly. Even in relationships, Nupur, एक आदमी cheat करता है, if you truly look at it, when a woman, of course, cheating in any sense is horrible.
Of course.
But if you see that if a woman is hurt and is sharing that I got cheated on, it is taken as in one way. And if a man comes out and say, it's almost shameful for him to admit. And when he comes out and say that I got cheated on, पहली बात तो वो admit नहीं करेगा, और वो करता भी है that I got cheated on, it is almost like he thinks there's something wrong with him, and he thinks the world thinks that there's something wrong with him. It is so, just imagine like that this is not the world which is rigged, it's rigged for both.
It's rigged for both. दोनों को ही नुकसान पहुंच रहा है इस पूरे सिस्टम से। Women are not given opportunities.
Yes,
that's our truth. There's a lot of things going on here, but on the other hand, men also are given the kind of expectation that we cannot even begin to think of, like the kind of heaviness of the expectation, that they have no option, they can't express themselves. So as much as women suffer, men are suffering too.
Absolutely.
So that's true.
So
I think we have
come
to the full circle of the
yes,
conversation.
absolutely. But this was an important discussion. I'm
100%.
glad we talked about it. I
Yes.
think we need to have these conversations.
Hmm.
And so that was it. This
Yes.
was our episode. And if you think that anything that we spoke made sense to you, did not make sense to you, you want to talk about it, please do leave comments, engage with us, talk to us. We are only happy to talk to you.
Yes.
And yeah, that'll be all. Nupur?
Yeah. And if you have anything, especially the men who might be
Yeah,
watching
yeah.
this, if you feel like you cannot share with anyone, I hope that you understand that
Yeah.
you can.
Yes.
You know, our
Absolutely.
comments are open, our DMs are open.
Yes.
So please feel free. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode.
Yes.
Bye.